Investing in Health, Part 8, Vaidya Dilip Gadgil, Pune. Ahar Vidhi Visheshayatana, Karana or Sanskar. So I was talking about the Karana or Sanskar, and generally it is observed that Agni Sanskar, heating or roasting or cooking, etc., creates an effect that the substance become more light to digest. For example, if we have raw rice and we have cooked rice. So in cooked rice, it is soaked in water, then it is put on fire and it gets cooked, and then it is light to digest. In the same manner, the Agni Sanskar generally creates lagutva or lightness in the food material. There is one stanza, Kukula Karpara Bhrashtra Kanvangara Vipachitam Ekayoni Lagun Vidyat Apupam Uttarottaram. So one type of material, if it's subjected to varieties of processes, the effects are different. Kukula is Bashpasveda, steaming. So we have idli, we have dhokla, we have modaka, which are steamed like that. And then, though it becomes lighter as compared to the raw material, but still as compared to the further classification, it is heavy. So, Kukula Kharpara is a pan made from mitti or soil. And if we roast on that pan, then as compared to Kukula or Bashpas with the steaming, this is lighter. Even lighter is the pan, and initially they were using iron pan. Now Hindaliyum or aluminium pans are also available, but that are hazardous for health. So aluminium is known for dementia and Alzheimer. So aluminium pans should be avoided totally. So if we roast roti on this pan, iron pan, then that is fine. But it is, as compared to the Kharpara, this is lighter. Kandu is the furnace in which we roast rotis, particularly this in Punjabi dish. The rotis are prepared like this, and they come in contact directly with the heat as such. So even it is more lighter, or this is lighter to just roti roasted on pan. We have in India two options. One is pulka, which is roasted on pan and on heat directly as well, and bhakri, that is also roasted on pan and heat as well. So these become lighter as compared to plain roti or something like that. And if we try to roast it directly on fire, then that is lightest. So barbecue is very good example of this, in which these are roasted directly on the fire. Or we may have coal and other things, say corn particularly, that is roasted directly on the coal and coal heat or coal agni, and that is lightest or something like that. So in a way, if we heat the material, it becomes lagu or lighter. Exception is milk. Raw milk is guru in nature, but if we heat it with quarter water, then it becomes light. But if we heat it further and it becomes thick, then it is heavy. And still heavy is what we call as khawa or rabdi, which is more thicker than the basundi or milk itself. So in a way, this reduces the water content and the padartha or the substance becomes more heavy, even with Agni Sanskara. So one has to bear this in mind.